In the sparkling wine industry, authenticity is dying. Over 97% of producers compromise the product. Artificial yeasts, added sugars, and chemical additives, all for faster, higher, and safer production. But what if we refuse that compromise? What if the sparkling wine is brutally natural? Piquentum Brut Nature, the first wine label ever created from wine. Fully respecting the nature, Piquentum uses only and exclusively natural yeasts and sugars derived from grapes in its own organic vineyards. During the crucial secondary fermentation, where the natural yeast converts sugar into bubbles, sediment is created. While other producers discard it, we embraced it. From that very sediment, the material evidence of absolute naturalness, we crafted the label. The entire process transformed the label into a living manifest of zero compromise, setting a new, radical standard for transparency. At that moment, the label became the authentic proof of the product's brutal naturalness. Being a living entity, informing noble mold and similar organisms, it continues its life long after it is applied to the bottle. Just like the wine itself, it is alive, brutally natural,